Hey guys, it's just a tip. Today what I'm gonna go over with you is the best follow-up sequence for 2 to 4 weeks after a sale. Put 2 minutes on the clock and let's go for it. So how do we follow up with clients, okay? How do we farm clients, okay? The key thing is that we have buckets where we put people in. We need to have a pipeline. We need to have a CRM, a spreadsheet, a whiteboard, something where we know exactly where people are in our process. You can't sell everybody on call one, and sometimes you shouldn't try. So what we wanna do is we wanna have a clear and defined follow-up process that allows us to get the maximum amount of sales over the longest period of time. So first things first, don't just give up on sales because you're weak of mind and because it seems like it's gonna be difficult if someone's partner isn't there, if you think someone doesn't have the money. That doesn't mean that you can't use those people to have a thick with 2 C's pipeline full of people who are gonna close in 1 week, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, 20 weeks, 52 weeks away, okay? That's how you keep stability as a closer. Don't just go, oh, this person's not qualified, let's chuck them in. Like, no. Money is liquid. It's just a thing that comes in and out, right? It's like the tides. Sometimes people have plenty of cash, sometimes they're broke. It's just kind of the way it is. Just because you've met someone at a time in their life where they don't have much money doesn't mean they can't benefit from the product or service. So don't just throw them away like yesterday's garbage. The next thing is like, what are we gonna do? How do we keep in contact with these people without just being another sales guy that's trying to keep in contact with them so you can make a sale? The answer is value-based follow-up. You have to have reasons in order to reach out to people. So if I sell somebody, it's not a right time, what I'm gonna do is take a valuable piece of content, either create it myself or that the person that I'm working for has, that's relevant to the problems that they have, I'm going to send it to them. Then after that, I'm going to ask them what they thought of it. Did they get any insights from it? I'm going to keep doing that. Hey, if that was helpful, I can send you another one. Hey, would you be open to me kind of helping you hit some goals over the next 14 to 21 days? What would you love to achieve with yourself, in your business, in your life, whatever, over the next 2 to 3 weeks? And if I can help you do that, I would love to. Create value for these people. It's like 10 minutes or 5 minutes a week that you're gonna spend on each individual. And if you use something like a Close.io or anything like that, where you can schedule text messages, you can put this stuff in place and automate a lot of it, okay? So value-based follow-up that gives you a reason to consistently reach out to people where you're enriching their lives, making their lives easier, making their businesses better, helping them get results, and giving them quality information so that you have a reason to reach out and actually be valued within them so they give you a response. All right, guys, that's my tip for how to create value-based follow-up for 2 to 4 weeks after a sale. All right, guys, bye.